Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 5.7 from the chapter fractions. The first question, Venkat had 2 by 3 dozen eggs. He used 1 by 6 dozen eggs to bake a cake. What fraction of a dozen was he left with? Here, totally he had 2 by 3 dozen eggs. From that, he used 1 by 6 dozen eggs to bake a cake. Now, we have to find out what fraction of a dozen egg left with him. Okay. First, we have to write the statement. Fraction of eggs Venkat had is equal to 2 by 3 dozen. Fraction of eggs he used is equal to 1 by 6 dozen. Now we have to find the fraction of eggs left with him. For that, from the total amount, we have to subtract the amount of eggs he used. That is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 dozen. Okay. Here, these two fractions are unlike fractions. First, we have to make it as like fractions. For that, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 3 and 6. Here, 6 is a multiple of 3, so we can take 6 as a LCM. So, we have to convert the fractions with the denominator 6. Already in the second fraction, the denominator is 6, so no need to change the second fraction. First fraction is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Here we have to change the first fraction alone. For that, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. Then we will get 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6. Okay. Here now we got like fractions. We have to subtract the numerators. 4 minus 1, we will get 3 by the same denominator 6. Now we can reduce the fraction by 3. In 3 table 1 time, in 3 table 2 time. So 1 by 2 dozen of eggs is left with him. So answer 1 by 2 dozen eggs left with Venkat. Is it clear, children? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. First we have to make it as like decimal, like fractions by finding LCM. Then 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6. As a whole, the answer is 1 by 2 dozen. So 1 by 2 dozen eggs left with Venkat. Is it clear? The next question. There was 4 liters of milk in the house on Sunday morning. At night, only 1 by 4 liters of milk was left. How much milk was used up? Here, in the morning, 4 liters of milk was there. At night, only 1 by 4 liters of milk was left. We have to find the amount of milk used up. For that, from the total amount, we have to subtract the amount of milk left. Okay. So, capacity of the milk in the house is equal to 4 liters. Capacity of milk left at night is equal to 1 by 4 liters. Now we are going to find the capacity of milk used up. For that, from 4 liter from the total quantity, we have to subtract the amount of milk left. Okay. Here 4 is a whole number and 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. First we have to convert it into improper fraction. The meaning of a whole number is the denominator 1 minus, here to convert it into improper fraction we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 4 into 1 4, then we have to add the numerator 1, then 5, 4 plus 1 5, then the same denominator 4, 5 by 4 liter. Now these two fractions are unlike fractions, we have to make it as like fractions. LCM is 4, for 1 and 4 the LCM is 4, so we have to convert the first fraction with the denominator 4. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 4, then we will get 4 4s are 16, 16 by 4 minus 5 by 4. Now these two fractions are like fractions, so we can subtract the numerator 16 minus 5 by the same denominator 4. Now 16 minus 5 we will get 11, 11 by 4 liter. Here it is an improper fraction, so we have to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 11, 4 2s are 8. We have to subtract 11 minus 8, 3. So we have to write in the form of quotient, remainder by divisor. So it is 2, 3 by 4 liter. This is the capacity of milk used up. Is it clear, children? So to find the amount of milk used up, we have to subtract from the total quantity minus amount of milk left at the night. Okay. The next question is, Toto the tortoise covered 5 3 by 4 kilometer while Bunny the rabbit covered 8 7 by 9 kilometer. How much more distance did Bunny cover than Toto? By seeing the fraction itself we can say that the rabbit, Bunny the rabbit covered more distance, isn't it? How much more? For that we have to find the difference between these two distance. Okay. So let us start. Solution. Distance covered by Toto is 5 3 by 4 kilometer. Distance covered by Bunny is equal to 8 7 by 9 kilometer. Now we are going to find the difference between these two distances. Here we know that 8 7 by 9 is a greater fraction. So from the greater one we have to subtract the smaller. 5 3 by 4 kilometer. Now we are going to convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 7 79. Then the same denominator number 9, 79 by 9 kilometer. Minus here 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23 by 4, 23 by 4 kilometer. Now these two fractions are unlike fractions. We have to convert it into like fractions. For that we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4 are co-prime numbers. So the product of these two numbers is the LCM. So 9 4s are 36. 36 is the LCM. Now we have to convert these two fractions with the denominator 36. Here in 9 table when you will get 36, 9 4s are 36. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 4. 79 into 4. 9 4s are 36. 6 here, 3 carry over. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 316. So this is 316 by 36 kilometer. Minus here, in 4 table when you will get 36, 4 9s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by 9. So 23 into 9. 9 3s are 27. 7 here 2 carry over. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. It is 207. 207 by 36 kilometer. Now we got like fractions. Now we can subtract the numerators. So 316 minus 207 by 36 kilometer. Now we have to subtract 316 minus 207. Here 6 minus 7 we can't subtract. So we have to borrow. This 1 will become 0. 6 will become 16. 16 minus 7, 9. Here 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 109. 109 divided by 36. 109 by 36 kilometer. Now we got an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed number. Okay, so we have to divide the numerator 109 by the denominator. Here in 109, how many 36 are there? We will check. 36 2s are 72. So I am going to check with 3 times. Here 3 6 are 18. 8 here, 1 carry over, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Here we got the nearest number. So we can take 3 times. 36. 3s are 108. Now we have to subtract 9 minus 8, 1. Here 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So now we have to write in the form of quotient, remainder by divisor. So 3, 1 by 36 kilometer. This is bunny covered. Covered 3, 1 by 36 kilometer more than 2. Was it clear, children? Hope you understood. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.